Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the DogWifCeo token. So basically this is a combination of a bunch of memes. Obviously it's got Doge in there, it's got the WIF hat in there, and it's got the CEO meme all mashed together. So it's basically a CEO Doge WIF a hat aka DogWifCeo. Ticker symbol is WIFC, and it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing soon on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I actually just took the contract address from their webpage and put it into DEX tools. So it says no pairs yet. So it looks like this token is not even live on any DEXs yet or anything like that. I did see an announcement though on Twitter talking about how this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing soon. So it says here on Twitter, upcoming new listing, BITMART will list WIFC DogWifCeo soon. Keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. So this token could be still in pre-sale or just maybe not live yet at all. But yeah, so basically how you'd get this token if you were looking to get it, one way would be to download BITMART from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account on BITMART, and then when it gets listed, go into the trade section and search the name of the token or the ticker symbol, and then you would trade your USDT for this token. Now, besides that, they do have the contract address on their webpage. I just put it into DEX Screener here too to make sure that DEX Tools was right and that there's no pairs yet for this token. But that takes a while to load sometimes. So it says here at the top of their webpage, they do have a Buy WIFC button, and that will take you to DIGIFINEX. So that is a totally other different central exchange. So that BITMART, I would say, is a little bit bigger than DIGIFINEX. I would assume, I'm guessing, I haven't checked in a while. Yeah, DIGIFINEX is probably like a tier 3 central exchange. BITMART's like a tier 2, but it looks like you could follow the same steps that I just said about BITMART, but use them now for DIGIFINEX. Or you could just go to their webpage at dogwifceo.com and click Buy WIFC, and that will take you right over to DIGIFINEX. So you just download this DIGIFINEX, open an account, same steps, search WIFC in the trading section after you fund your account, and then trade your USDT for this token. So those are two different ways. To find out when the exact BITMART listing is, you're going to have to follow either BITMART's Twitter, which is at BITMART Exchange on X, or the one in the corner of the screen here, at DogWifCeo, and they're going to announce these new listings as they come. So it looks like it's not on DEXs, but it is on DIGIFINEX and BITMART, and maybe more stuff in the future here. Now, their Twitter just joined in March 2024. 16,300 Twitter followers, a blue verified check mark, 31 tweets. It says the meme CEO of the crypto world. It says visit the Telegram at DogWifCeo for a big airdrop which has started. So you could check that out. That's in their most recent pinned tweet there. At DogWifCeo on Twitter, 13,300 members. 244 of them are online, so that's where you can get involved with the airdrop contest, and you can also talk to other community members about this project, ask questions, see what they think, that type of thing. So it says, hey everyone, let me introduce you to the new CEO in the meme world. They just got listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. I hear they will come with big news soon, and then right after that, they posted their BITMART listing. So you can find the token on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap as well. So it says, what is DogWifCeo? DogWifCeo isn't literally just a DogWifCeo. It's a symbol of progress for futuristic transactions, a beacon for those who think ahead. And if we know the dog whiff meme is basically, it literally is just a dog with a hat. So this is literally just a dog with CEO. It says total token supply 998,920,173 tokens, and it says no taxes. So if it does get listed on DEXs in the future, decentralized exchanges, you probably will not have to set slippage. It says LP tokens are burned and contract ownership is renounced. They're going to have hold and win contests, big community, incredible rises, and their own wallet will be coming soon, it says. So they have, I guess, a contest here where you picked different DogWifCeo pictures. And, one of them won, so there was a contest there. So it says here that this is on the Solana blockchain, and they do tell you how to buy using a MetaMask wallet. So you can create, a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Phantom wallet, Soulflare wallet. It could be listed on DEXs. I don't know why it didn't pop up on DEX tools though. Nothing on, no results, neither on DEX Screener either. So strange, but yeah, it tells you step by step how to use the swap, trading your swap for, but maybe that'll be coming soon. So maybe stay tuned for the BITMART listing announcement, and they will probably list when they're being listed, or when the pool is going to be filled on RAYDIUM or Jupiter. So they have a meme roadmap starting with creating the token, Vibe and HODL, meme takeover, and that is all. So very much just a meme token, but yeah, getting this big BITMART listing, you'll probably eventually be able to get it on RAYDIUM and Jupiter. But for now, the buy button on their webpage will take you over to DIGIFINEX. So check this token out and let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.